Hey parents, do you have a flexible spending account? If so, you want to join me today because I am sharing 5 creative ways to spend that FSA money and to make the most of every dollar before the end of the year. Hi parents, I'm Reid, the creator of the Playbook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. Hey parents, if you're fortunate enough to have a flexible spending account or an FSA, you likely know there is a deadline to spend that money, right? It's that money that we put aside specifically for qualified medical expenses, where if we don't use it by the deadline, it is gone. GONE. And that is basically like throwing money away. And you know, that's one thing I'm not going to step aside and let you guys do so easily. So let's talk about FSAs, right? They're a great tool because they allow us to use those pre-tax dollars to pay for those health-related expenses. So you have probably already spent quite a bit of it this year on copays, refilling prescriptions, on any of those over-the-counter medicines, right? All the doctor's appointments, all your children's allergy medications, whatever it is. But we all know the catch. What makes people slip up is that you typically have to spend it before the end of the year or by whatever grace period your plan indicates. And out of the millions of people who take advantage of a flexible spending account, there are some who actually forfeit the money, who forget to use it all or just can't think of what else they could use to that would be eligible expenses. But so today I'm going to share 5 creative ways. So if you've set up all the doctor's appointments for the rest of the year, if you've refilled all of your prescription and know you're still going to have money left over, consider a couple of these. My very first recommendation is actually something that I've always wanted to try. And now that I know it's an eligible healthcare expense, you can bet I'm going to use mine this year. And that's if you've ever wanted to go visit a chiropractor or if you've ever wanted to try acupuncture. Yes, both chiropractors and acupuncture are both eligible and qualified for your FSA. All right. The second item. So recently, in the past, the government has allowed you to just click on a link. You can order these free at-home COVID tests, right? Well, Congress decided not to fund it anymore. So as of September 2nd, we can no longer get these free at-home COVID tests. But guess what? Your FSA account will actually cover at-home tests because now they're available over the counter and you can use them to keep on hand in case of exposure or illness. And you can also cover other COVID related supplies, whether that's hand sanitizer, whether you still need to purchase masks. All of those things are covered and can be reimbursed with your FSA. The next 2, I think you're going to like, especially if you have any growing teens, any teens having major growth spurts or going through all of their hormonal changes. The next 2 you'll find helpful. So my third recommendation are acne products. Believe it or not, we all get breakouts from time to time. And you can actually use your FSA money to stock up on any kind of over-the-counter acne treatments. And you can use your FSA card to buy any kind of menstrual care products, right? Now, this is something you really can stock up on. So not just tampons and pads, you can also use it for reusable products like period underwear, which have become really popular over the last couple of years. And then finally, my 5th creative way to use your FSA money is there are certain DNA tests that now qualify. And Here's the distinction. So the genetic testing kits, the ones that actually offer insight into certain health indicators, they are now eligible for FSA reimbursement. So I found that very interesting. So there's one in particular called 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service. It can be purchased with your SFA funds. Now, the goal in all of this is really to help you think about how you can use all of your money. You've prepaid, made these pre-tax contributions into your account, and now it is up to you to use it. So if you found these helpful, or if you have any other FSA related questions, just let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and in the show notes, I'm actually going to include a link to FSA eligible items that you can purchase from Amazon. Feel free to share it with a friend, and I'll see you next time.